What's good, everybody? It's Dre. I'm back with another banger for me. Today we will be installing the titanium exhaust for me. Shout out to M240i Motorsports. They sent me this exhaust. It's a pretty light exhaust, and the piping is pretty big, so I think it's gonna flow properly. We're gonna put it to the test. We about to install it today. I was been supposed to install it, but you know, we've been testing turbos, testing certain configurations, and we wanted maximum flow, so we was running open dump. But you know the open dump gets annoying, so we about to put the exhaust on, and then we're gonna get some sound clips. We're gonna do some pulls. We're gonna get some logs in, make sure the flow in is proper on the exhaust, and then I'm gonna give y'all a feedback of that also. But just stay tuned. We about to install the exhaust, and y'all gonna hear how it sounds. Wow. Alright guys, we just finished installing up the exhaust system. We installed the valves that it came with and the aftermarket controllers. We have it right here, which will be used to control the valves for me. Click of a button, and then it's pretty much a straightforward kit. It fits very nicely. Got a lot of clamps. We even got extra clamps too, but the exhaust tips is pretty fire. As you can see, carbon fiber exhaust tip goes with the diffuser. Quad tips. I'm not really a fan of quad tips, but I'm giving it a try. I feel like it'll be good for me. I feel like I'm gonna get used to it, but I like the factory tips, but I fuck with these too because it's carbon fiber. But I'm gonna show y'all what's going on, man. You have to come look at the whole exhaust. Pretty nice mock-up. Clearance is good. Everything is sturdy. Big boy titanium all the way up. And we have it matted to a spool downpipe. We got a little wastegate dump right here. You know, this is what makes the sounds that I like. We about to put the underguard back under the car, and then we're gonna do a first startup, see how it sounds. So y'all just gotta stay tuned, feel me? But I think it's gonna sound good, and it definitely shed a lot of weight, so we don't gotta run no more open dump. But just stay tuned. Ready? This I look keep recording good, man. Ready? What's good, everybody? I'm back, feel me? We just installed a titanium exhaust. I can't deal with the open dump knives no more, feel me? So we back, and I got a titanium exhaust. Shout out to M240i Motorsports. This shit is so fire, custom made for me. As you can see, got a custom made for one stock right there going on. And we about to do the first startup to hear how it sounds. Kiro. like?
Yeah, I like
Okay.
like a
Factory fit.
Yeah, that's nice.
Kiro.
What company is about to get on my car?
Senko.
3.5.
Senko Motorsports.
I need 3.5, bro. All the way.
Senko Motorsports, we need 3.5 exhaust for the G80.
G80, you heard?
G80 specs, where you going? Put in that sport. Rev it slightly. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. This shit sound real good. I ain't gonna lie to you. Alright, so we about to do some testing. The car is warmed up. We about to do the valves closed rev first, and then we're gonna do the open valve. Hero. That's with valves closed. Alright, hold on. Now it's open. Yes, sir. That shit is sounding spicy. Wow. It's good. Alright. Feel me? The tips is right there. I feel like I could have put the tips in a little bit more, but it actually don't look too bad. Still sturdy. I actually fuck with it. It actually looks good. It's currently closed right now. It actually looks good. I ain't gonna lie. I like the way it looks. I fuck with it. This is with the exhaust closed inside the car. You can't hear absolutely nothing at all. This is with the valve open inside. You could barely hear anything. Valve closed. Perfect. All right, so we about to do a cold start right now. Let's see. Valves open. Not too bad. And then we could close it. Quiet.